Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Kawasaki Ninja 650R twin cylinder sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 14,000 miles on this awesome metallic sparkle black Ninja 650. Come on by, make your sport bike dreams come true for just $44.99. This bike is in excellent condition. Just ran it through the shop. Brand new chain and sprockets. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.